All right, we're back home. Hey guys, so we are actually gonna get our floors redone. So we have to take everything out. So everything you see here in the living room and all of that, we're gonna be moving it out, and then we're gonna be staying at a hotel this weekend while they redo our floors. So I want to show you guys a before and after of the floors, and I just wanted to vlog the whole thing for you guys. So my hair looks a mess, but in the summer my hair just cannot look good. I didn't want to fix it today, and I literally have like no makeup on right now, but I don't care. So it's gonna be kind of hard for you guys to see, but there's like certain areas in the floor that needs to get redone. It has actually lifted, and there's cracks in the floor now because this is real wood floor. Main issue is right here in this area. It's lifted and it does not go down. So whenever we turn on the Roomba, it gets stuck right here under the couch. That needs to get redone. And then a lot of the floor, it's actually scratched, and yeah. So the builders are gonna come and just redo the whole floor. They're gonna sand it down. So we just got our room, and I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. So when you walk in, there is this lamp, and then to the left right here is the restroom, which I will show you guys at the end. So there's a closet in here. We get a bathroom, which is nice. Let's see. We got a coffee machine, mirror. There is a fridge. And I really like the crown molding. And then walk in, we have a TV in here. This is the bed. We got a king size bed. Texas art. It's a pretty nice hotel. Another mirror. And this is the view. You can see the freeway from here. Some buildings. Not the best view, but right there, that's Main Street. I like these double doors right here. Bathroom, and there's a big mirror. This is the sink. They have marble countertops, which is really nice. The mirror. And then behind me, they have a huge tub. We will definitely be using that. Toilet. I just like how vintage feel this hotel is. Just feels so vintage. I love it. I like this big mirror. And then this is the shower. So when I was booking the hotel, it did say online that they sanitize all of the rooms, and they also leave 24 hours in between occupancy. So nobody has stayed in this room for 24 hours, which is good because the virus does not last on surfaces for that long. And they also don't have any maid service at the moment. So if we need something, we do have to call them in for them to bring anything up. So they are taking a lot of precautions. But yeah, so we're gonna be staying here all weekend. How cool is this hotel? We have like huge bookcases. Look at these lamps. Kind of gives me the creeps. Look at these stairs. We're gonna go grab some food. Everything is closed. There's some places that are open though. It just poured rain. We're on our way back to the hotel. Hey guys, so we are getting ready to go grab some food today. So today's Saturday. It's a kind of like a rainy day. It's supposed to rain later, I think. It's not raining right now, so that's good. There's a lot of restaurants that are walking distance, but not all of them are open. But we found one that is open, so I'm just doing like a really simple makeup look because still would have to wear a mask. So I'm not even putting makeup right here around my mouth because I don't like getting my mask dirty with makeup. So I kind of just do my brows a little bit on my eyes. Just really simple. My hair is just a mess. I really need to wash it, but I don't want to wash it today, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair yet. And I have this mascara. This is the Hourglass new mascara, Unlocked Instant Extensions mascara. So I'm testing it out. I've been testing it out for like the past 3 days, and so far it's actually pretty good. But I'm just gonna apply some mascara, maybe a little bit of eyeliner, and that's it. All right, so that is one coat. Do the other side now. I just poked my eye. I got this eyeliner from Pure. I got it when I ordered the Raw Beauty Christie collection. They sent this for free in the package, so that's really good. And I used it yesterday, and that's actually a really good eyeliner. It's a brown. I'm gonna just put it up here. I hate putting liner in my waterline because my eyes get watery always. Just always get watery. I kind of want to do like a baby wing. I'm gonna apply a little bit of bronzer too because I look really pale. Like extra pale. Fenty Beauty bronzer, my favorite. I did this yesterday and I just grabbed a little bit of the bronzer and a blending brush and just applied it here. Just to add a little dimension and so that it looks like I tried. A little bit of highlighter in the inner corner. So this is this highlighter. I got it in PR. It's from the brand Phoenix Organic. This highlighter is in the shade Wedding Ring. That's the highlighter. It's actually really nice. I'm just gonna apply some right here. My finger. It's a really good highlighter. You guys see that? Just right here. Right here, just a little bit. I don't know what to do with my hair. And this is my outfit, this little purse from Le Voot, and this white tee, and these jean shorts and sandals. Just a simple look.
If I had no cash to spend, if I forget we had plans, when I feel like breaking down, ooh, you'd be there to hold my hand. Lost in my head,
definitely empty. Y'all, look at this margarita. So cute. Oh my god, I don't even want to drink it. Got a michelada. So freaking cute. Alright, we're back home. New floor, you guys.
Nothing goes better than your friends together on a random Tuesday night when your world is upside down.
It looks pretty similar as it did before, but we can definitely tell that it is brand new floor, improved. This was the area where it was lifted. It's no longer lifted. It's even now. So I think I had showed you guys like there was like a crack right here. They closed it right here now. It looks really good. It just, because it does have fresh paint on the floor, it still smells very strong. This area right here, we had our dining table and we didn't put anything on the bottom of the legs of the chair. This whole area got scratched. So I had a whole bunch of scratches on the floor. Because it's real wood, the scratches do not go away. So those scratches are no longer here, which is so great. They always bug me. These are the ones that we put under the chair, so they have like a sticker behind, so you take off the sticker and then you put them on the legs. And this has kind of like a cushion. They're kind of like soft material, so they don't scratch the floor. It's natural wood, so it's not going to be perfect. Oh my god, it sucks wearing glasses with a mask on. So I'm wearing a mask because the smell is still really strong, and I'm really sensitive to smells and strong scents. So I'm wearing the mask. I'm cleaning up because it's still really dusty from them sanding the wood down. So yeah, I'm wearing this mask and these glasses because my eyes were burning a little bit because of the smell. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish cleaning up, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later.